presenting the Jeep 2021 Compass Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed Eisen F21-250 Gen 3 Auto, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS, STD, white clear coat, quick order package 28J included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS transmission, 6-speed Eisen F21-250 Gen 3 Auto, black premium cloth vinyl bucket seats, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.